Heavy hurricanes hit Greece, flooding hundreds of homes in the Athens and causing an evacuation on the island of Evia, which was hit by summer wildfires. Rescuers were also preparing to use helicopters to lift trapped people from rooftops in flooded and remote areas in northwest Corfu, according to Civil Protection and Climate Change Minister Christos Stylianides. There is no doubt that we are facing a hazardous weather event that is very serious in some parts of the country, said Stylianides, former European Commissioner for Humanitarian Aid and Crisis Management. On the island of Evia, at least 3 areas affected by wildfires and are being evacuated. Several dozen people were evicted from their homes in the north of the island and were going to stay with friends or in the hotel rooms booked by regional authorities. Storms hit the Greek capital and other parts of southern Greece, causing traffic disruptions and road closures. The authorities said that the capital's fire department received more than 300 requests to pump out water from flooded houses. Dozens of cars got stuck on flooded roads, causing people inside to abandon their cars and make their way through the water to safety. Heavy rains also disrupted public transport, but flights at Athens International Airport were not affected.